Welcome back to my training on QGIS. In today's training, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to clip a raster using a polygon. This is our raster and this is the polygon that wants to use to clip this raster. So what this basically means is that this is the raster that we have is very large, but our concentration is on this polygon area. That's where we want to extract out the raster from. So in order for us to achieve this, you come to your raster tools here, and you bring your cursors to extraction and you click on this clip raster by mask layer. Immediately you do that, you get this pop out on the screen, or you can as well come to this search, you type mask. So as soon as you type mask, you can see we have clip raster by mask layer, and that's what we want to do now. We have clip vector by mask layer. I have a video on this. I'll drop the link on my video description on how to clip a vector by mask layer. You can check out the video on my video description. So this is what we are working with, and what we can do is to double click on it. So mask layer is going to be that's the boundary, the polygon where we are interested in the extraction, where we want to mask out. Then after you are done with that, below here you can see it says assign a specified node data value to output band. So basically what we can do on this is either you leave it on not set, or you can put a value. If I should use this value, negative 9999.0, and when you are done with that, you can scroll down and give it a name. If you want it to have a name, you give it a name here, extract raster. So you select the location that you want it to be saved, save to file. You select that location, raster extract, then you click on save. Okay, so when you are done, you click on run. If I should turn off this and boundary, this is the new raster that we have, the new raster and the boundary that surround it, the polygon. Coming back to our raster, clip raster by mask layer. Under this, assign a specified node data. The reason why we input the value the other time was because at times you might have a background on the raster, black background on the raster surrounding it. So once you input values, the negative 9999.0, once you input it inside this place that says assign a specified node data, the background will be pulled out. That's why we use that value and change it from not set. And that is how to extract by mask